Go.
There's a breakdancing white guy. I'm like, what the
Yeah, breakdancing white guy.
Do it again, do it again. That sounded kind of painful.
No, it's not. It doesn't really hurt. But it gets you dizzy.
Oh my god, I really love spinning around for like 10 minutes and just like...
Oh, let's try.
You can find it?
Whoa, that guy's gonna hurt me. What the hell? Okay, I'm already dizzy. I always spun around like 2 times. No!
Emma, here. Come on, get up. Okay, maybe we're not gonna. Now we're gonna get up. Oh, ow, that hurt my butt.
Yeah, stay here tonight.
Check this video there.
Oh my god.
Did you get that on video?
Yes.
Let me see.
Did you get the old guy?
Yeah, he was just like...
Let me see the video.
You guys are spinning around and just standing there just like...
That was great. Thanks for that.
Let me see the video.